In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to OneNote. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a video file to a page so you can keep your media and notes together in one place. First, go to your desktop on your computer, make sure you have your OneNote notebook open and that you're on the page where you want the video to live. It helps to give that page a clear title so you'll remember what the video relates to later. If you're organizing a class lecture, a meeting recap, or a project demo, being on the right page keeps everything tidy and easy to find. Next, at the top of OneNote, click Insert. This is the tab that holds all the tools for bringing content into your notes, from pictures and files to recordings and links. If your ribbon is minimized, expand it so you can see the full set of options. Staying on the Insert tab for the next few clicks will make the rest of this process straightforward. Now, click File Attachment. This tells OneNote you want to include a file as part of your page. You may see other options like online media, but file attachment is the choice that places the actual video file into your notebook, so you can carry it with your notes wherever they go. When the file picker opens, select a video file from your computer. Common formats like MP4 and UMV work well on Windows. Choose the version of the video you actually plan to reference. Large, high-resolution files will take longer to sync if your notebook is stored in the cloud. If you're working from a shared drive or an external device, give it a moment to load the folder so you can preview your selection. Double-check the file name so you recognize it later. Finally, click Attach File. If OneNote asks how you want to insert it, pick Attach File rather than Insert as printout. Attach File keeps the video as a clickable attachment so it doesn't try to plaster frames across your page. You'll see an icon and file name appear in your note. To play it later, just double-click the attachment and it will open in your computer's default media player. If your notebook syncs to a service like OneDrive, the upload may take a little time depending on the file size and your connection. While it's syncing, avoid moving or renaming the original file on your computer to prevent confusion. That's all there is to it. You've added a video to OneNote using a simple attachment, keeping your media and notes together and easy to access.